Sora is dead. September 24th, gone completely. If your AI video workflow depended on it, you've got about a month left before it disappears for good. But here's the part most people don't know. There are free tools right now that are just as good, maybe better.
I'll show you exactly how to claim the free credits for each one, and I'll generate real samples live so you can see the quality for yourself.
Hey everyone, I'm Vishwa and you're watching Techo World. Let's get into it. I'm not going to make you pay for any of this. Every tool I'm about to show you has a genuine free tier, not a fake trial, not a free for 3 days trap, real, ongoing, free access.
Just to confirm this with you, I checked back after 24 hours and you can see right here, the 250 credits actually showed up. I wanted to prove this to you myself, not just tell you about it.
By the way, I've also covered free tools where you can generate videos, images, and even clone your own voice. Check that video out too, links in the description. Let's get into what's actually happening first.
OpenAI discontinued the Sora app back in April. Now the API, which a lot of developers and creators were building tools around, is following it out the door. If your workflow depended on Sora for automated or programmatic video generation, this is your deadline to migrate.
This isn't a small tool disappearing. Sora was one of the most talked about AI video generators, but apparently being technically impressive isn't the same as being a durable product. If you were using Sora for projects, tutorials, or client work, you need a replacement, and fast. The good news is the AI video space has genuinely caught up. Tools like Kling AI, Runway, and even Meta AI now offer free access. This covers most of what casual and even semi-serious creators need. Let me walk you through what's actually free right now, what the catch is with each one, and which one I'd actually recommend.
Kling AI gives you 66 free credits every single day. And this resets daily, it's not a one-time thing. That's roughly 6 5-second video clips per day for free forever. Free tier videos come with a visible watermark and resolution is capped.
But if you're testing ideas, making short social clips, or just experimenting, this is honestly one of the most generous free tiers in the entire AI video space right now. Let me show you how to claim it.
Head to Kling's website, sign up, and your credits are already sitting there. No card required. Let's actually generate something so you can see the quality yourself. I'm using this prompt. Cinematic slow motion shot of a lone figure walking through a foggy forest at dawn. Dramatic lighting, film grain, camera slowly pushing in. Here I'll enter my prompt. The model I'll select is Video 3.0. Once you're ready with the setup, hit Generate. In a few minutes, your video will be generated. Look at that. Genuinely mind-blowing quality for free. And going to next one.
Now here's one I have to be honest with you about because I tested it myself and got surprised.
Runway gives you 500 free credits when you sign up. And here's a tip most people miss. There's a simple quest where you just come back after 24 hours and they hand you 250 more credits, completely free. That's 750 credits total just for using the tool normally. Runway's interface is genuinely one of the easiest to use, and those credits are enough to test several clips and get a real feel for the quality before deciding if you want to upgrade. So here, instead of video generation, I will try with the image generation. Once you open the Runway interface, this is the dashboard here. I'll enter my prompt and hit Generate. It'll ask for approval to generate the image. Just click Approve. In a few minutes, your image will be ready. And I was genuinely surprised by the result. Every element, every text, every arrow mark, all of it perfect. No mess-ups, nothing. Just so you know, I actually downloaded this image from Pinterest and asked ChatGPT to share the prompt to regenerate it. It shared every detail clearly. I just copied it and pasted it into Runway. That's it. And going to next one.
This one surprised me. Meta AI doesn't lock you behind a constant credit counter the way most tools do. It's built to be widely accessible.
The trade-off is quality. It's genuinely fine for casual clips, memes, or quick concept testing, but it's not going to replace a polished production tool. If your goal is just messing around or testing an idea fast without worrying about running out of credits, this is worth having in your back pocket.
Let's have some fun with this one. I'm generating sunglassing. A cat wearing sunglasses skateboarding down a city street. Funny and playful style. Here's my honest recommendation. For daily, ongoing free use, Kling AI wins, hands down, because of that renewing daily credit system. Skip Runway if you're looking for free video generation. Those credits look great, but don't unlock video without a paid plan. And keep Meta AI around for quick, low-stakes experiments. None of these are exact Sora replacements. No free tool ever really is, but together they cover almost everything most creators actually need. So to recap, Sora's API shuts down September 24th. If you're not migrated yet, Kling AI's daily free credits are your best long-term option. Runway's free credits look generous, but don't actually unlock free video generation. And Meta AI works for quick, low-stakes clips. And drop a comment if you want the full setup guide for any of these tools. And don't forget, I've also covered free tools for generating images, videos, and cloning your own voice in another video. Go check that one out too, links in the description.